How to get rid of caterpillars and fruit trees. Caterpillars attack and inhabit many trees, including fruit trees, producing webs and eating foliage. A serious infestation will stunt the growth of the tree and make it susceptible to disease. Eliminating a caterpillar infestation requires that you know the habits and life cycle of the caterpillars and the right time to attack them. It also requires that you know how and when to prune a fruit tree. By combining the knowledge of these two cycles, you can get rid of caterpillars in your fruit trees. Things you will need: pruning shears, high-powered hose, insecticide optional. Identify any egg masses in the late winter, when the fruit tree is dormant and its leaves have dropped. This will allow you to see the masses more easily. They will appear as swellings with tiny holes in them, wrapped around the small, bare branches. Prune the fruit tree at this time. Take off any branches that have egg masses on them when possible. Destroy these masses so they cannot infect another tree. Apply a spot insecticide to the webs as they appear in the early spring. This is just after the larvae have hatched and are susceptible to chemicals. For those who are uncomfortable with insecticide use, this step may not be necessary. It only increases your chances of complete elimination. Prune the tree again in the spring, as soon as you notice any caterpillar webs forming. If the branch is too large to prune or you just do not wish to prune it, you may also destroy the webs by hand. Use a high-pressure hose to flush out any webs you can see. Tips: warnings. Start your attack on the caterpillars early so that they do not have time to become established and feed on your foliage.